Bullshit, 389, fly the published miss approach. There's a rogue at 172 at about your 1030, 4 miles northbound, descending out of 1,800 feet for 1,000 feet. So pull up and go around, fly the published miss approach, and stay this frequency.
Hey, what's that 39 in the miss?
Bullshit, 389, just crossing the south runway now northbound. Is that 172? He's slowly descending out of 1,300 feet. And I'll let you know when to push to departure. Position right there, please. Do not get any closer to the runway. All aircraft on this frequency, come to a stop now, please. Jet 112, do you read me?
Yeah, what's that, 112?
Come to a complete stop now, please.
Complete stop, 112.
On this frequency, we do have an aircraft that's been hijacked, is in the vicinity of the airport overflying. I'm just going to let you know that so that you can continue looking out the window. It's a 172, and just in case anything starts heading towards you, you have the ability to move at your discretion. All aircraft on frequency again. We have an incident right above our airspace here, a hijacked 172. They are just flying above us at this time. I cannot give you any further updates, and we are on visual on the aircraft, and just stand by for further instructions. For aircraft on this frequency, the aircraft in question is in surface over the north runway, lining up for 26 right at this time, a 172. I can't update you any further than that.
Corey, he says he's going to land on the next circuit on 26 right, so if you have the police with you, be ready to go. He said he's going to land after the next circuit. Looks like he's on the downwind right now.
Op 24 at Mike 9, proceed on to runway 26 right.